How do I upload my BCM configuration file from Alfa OBD to Google Drive so I can compare configuration settings if needed after changes have been made? This is an important step in the event that you accidentally configure something wrong or the intended change does not perform the way you thought it would. You can utilize this tool to compare other vehicle BCM configurations to determine what changes need to be set to enable added features or components and determine if your settings were actually enabled. Let's get into the procedure. To start, connect OBD link to the vehicle, connect with Alfa OBD via Bluetooth, select Make, Model, Body Computer, and Body Computer Year. Select the battery icon at the bottom right to read system status. This is where you see the BCM configuration on Alfa OBD as it is communicating with the vehicle. Next, select Tools in the upper right corner, then select Upload to Google Drive. Sign into your Google Drive. It will display your associated email. Select Upload Fault and Status Log. From the menu that pops up, select Body CHRYSLER Info. This is your BCM configuration. It will flash successfully uploaded as Body CHRYSLER Info. You will now have your BCM configuration file uploaded to Google Drive for viewing and comparison.